The World Meteorological Organization within bracket WMO has issued its annual update on its projections for temperature trends in the next decade. The prognosis expectedly is worrying. The annual mean global near surface temperature for each year between 2023 and 2027 is likely to be 1.1 degree centigrade higher than the average from 1850 1900. There is a 66% chance that the global near surface temperature will exceed 1.5 degrees centigrade above pre-industrial levels in at least 1 year before 2027, though it is unlikely that the 5-year mean will exceed this threshold. The 1.5 degrees centigrade threshold, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has repeatedly said, is one that is best left unbreached to avoid the disastrous consequences of global warming. While world leaders at climate summits are in agreement, few of their actions are consistent with keeping temperature rise within this Rubicon, with current climate policies poised to heat the globe beyond 2 degrees centigrade by the end of the century. At least one of the years the WMO adds from 2023 to 2027 will be the hottest on record, exceeding the 14.84 degrees centigrade reported in 2016. It was about 0.07 degrees centigrade warmer than the previous record set in 2015. The 5-year mean for 2023-2027 was very likely to be higher than that in the last 5 years, 2018-2022. The oceans too are on fire. The oscillation is likely to be positive in December to February 2023-24, meaning that the central equatorial Pacific Ocean is likely to be at least half a degree more likely over a degree over above what is normal. India is bracing for this during the monsoon, with the India Meteorological Department already indicating that monsoon rainfall will be on the lower side of normal. Will combine with human induced climate change to push global temperatures into uncharted territory, WMO Secretary General Patteri Talas said in a press statement in the context of the update. Hotter oceans also mean stronger cyclones. Cyclone Mocha, which barreled through Myanmar this week and claimed at least 60 lives and wrought severe damage, ended up being stronger than what was initially estimated. The WMO update does not have specific inputs for India. However, the overall trend in indicators suggest that India depends as it is on rain-fed agriculture, and with its long coastline will be severely tested due to changes in the global climate. India's abilities at forecasting cyclones and weather anomalies have improved, but developing resilience is far more challenging. Greater investments in bolstering disaster related infrastructure are the need of the hour. Over.